Hello, class. How's it going? Hope everyone's having a nice weekend. Um, hasn't started raining yet. We've all been hearing about that huge rainstorm that's supposed to be um, happening again. We all went through a one bad storm on Thursday. Anyway, what I want to do right now for you is I'm not going to do a drawing demo just yet. What I'm going to do is a demo on how to sharpen your charcoal pencil. I haven't gone into that yet, and there's a little more to it than just sticking your charcoal pencil into a pencil sharpener, which you don't want to do. You don't want to do that. And as you can see, I have a nice, pretty long tip here, and that is ideal for getting a variety of marks on your drawing. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do just this. Okay, I have a fresh pencil here that has not been sharpened yet. Okay, I also have an X-Acto knife, which is what I'm going to use to sharpen this. And I also have some sandpaper. Now, I don't have the sandpaper blocks that came with your kits. That's what you'll be using to sharpen your pencil, as I'll demonstrate in a few minutes here. And if you don't have your sandpaper blocks, if you have some sandpaper laying around, this works really nice too. This is a 150 grit. I wouldn't get anything um, smoother than that. I think the higher the grit number, the smoother it gets. The lower the number, the more coarse it gets. So 150, it's right in that really nice range. Okay, so get that. Okay, so, and I think you'll be able to see what I'm doing here. See if I can move my laptop in. I can't zoom in on this, unfortunately. Hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. And after you watch this, if you're still a little skittish about trying this on your own, I can help you out with it in class. Okay? So, what we're going to do is shave off some of the wood here. Okay? And I'm going to start about right there. Okay? So, holding the pencil like this with my left hand. If you're left-handed, then you'll do this with your right hand. Okay, I've got my first finger supporting the top of the pencil here. My middle finger and my thumb are supporting the middle. Sorry, I'm all over the place here. Supporting the middle of the pencil. And my last two fingers here are just kind of supporting the bottom of it. Okay, so got my knife with the other hand, my thumb. Where are we? Sorry. My thumb is right here, my first finger right here. So now we're just going to cut this, and I am going to push up with my thumb. Actually, the thumb on my left hand is going to push against the thumb, my right-handed thumb. Okay, so here we go. Okay, and I'm slightly rolling the pencil as I go. Rolling it, rolling it. Okay. There we go. That's what I've done so far. Okay. So now we want to keep carving until about, let's see, from here to here is what we want exposed, is the amount of charcoal that we want exposed. And you got to be very delicate with this. Okay. I have broken many charcoal pencil points doing this. So it can be very frustrating. It takes a degree of patience. So I'm rolling still. I get a little skittish as I get to the top. Okay, some of the charcoal starting to be exposed. Now in class, I know a lot of us worked with graphite for the construction drawings that you all did. Some of you worked with charcoal pencil. It's pretty much the reason why I wanted to show you this demo. And next week, when we get into value, we're going to be working with charcoal pencils even more. So I might as well show this to you all now. So some of that charcoal starting to show, okay? It's about where I want it, so I just have to carve off the rest of that wood there. It gets pretty tough when you get down to where the wood meets the charcoal. There's some sort of film between the wood and the charcoal, some sort of adhesive that you have to work with delicately. We're doing pretty well with it. Managing it okay. There's a little bit left up here at the top. I think I can cut that off. This is just about the length I want it to be at. Giving myself just a little bit more. I tell you, there have been times where I've gotten to this point and this has just totally snapped right off. I'm sure you all can imagine the anger and frustration somebody can feel when you're doing that. So can't emphasize enough being careful and patient with this. Okay. So I don't think I'm going to push my luck anymore. That's about where we want it. Okay. Now, the next step, rearrange this, keeping my X-Acto knife handy. We're going to sharpen this. We're going to use the sandpaper to do this, okay? And I'm going to just basically brush my pencil across the sandpaper here, and kind of do it with a little bit of a rolling motion. There'll be two steps. Let me just do the first step right now. So I'm going across broadly to get off that excess glue, that adhesive that was on the actual charcoal. Okay. Okay. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to take my knife, lightly scrape it across. So we can get a nice smooth point. Okay. Taking this excess charcoal, bringing back my paper towel. Getting all of that off so we can get a semi-clean piece here. Now I'm going to take this to the sandpaper again. Okay. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up and down, and I'm going to twirl it, spin it, turn it as I go up and down. This will give me a little bit of a sharper point than I had before. Now you don't have to be too sharp with this. It's not my preference, but your preference might be a little bit different than mine. It's pretty damn sharp. Okay. Take my knife again. So there we go. Really nice, long, extended point here. Compare this to my other untouched charcoal pencil. Okay. Got a before and after here. All right. So this is what you want. Okay. This is what we're after. And once you have this in place, you can get a variety of marks. Okay. You can get nice, big, sweeping motions like this, or you can get thin, fine, sharp marks like this. Now, what have I got here? This is a 4B soft. This one I started out with, well, it's the same thing, 4B soft. For some reason, this older one that I started with is actually making softer marks than this new pencil here. And what I'm doing now, playing around with my pencil like this, I would recommend doing something like this before you start any drawing. Getting familiar with the tools that you're going to use. Seeing how they react. This is so weird. Why this is drawing lighter than this other one. I don't know why that is. Huh. Says they're the same. Same brand. So, but anyway, I think you all understand what I'm trying to show you here. Okay? Sweeping, sharp. Sweeping, broad, sharp, specific. Okay? We'll be revisiting this again when we get into contour drawing. Okay? What I'm doing right now is actually contour drawing. And this week, next time we meet again, we're going to be going over value, where this may come in handy. Okay? So that's basically it. All right? Your charcoal pencils, that's how you sharpen them and how you use them. Okay? If you want to try that on your own this week, and if you need a little more help, reach out to me. Let me know. Leave some comments in the comment section of this video. Okay, I'll be posting it pretty soon, and I'll also be doing the construction drawing demo pretty soon. Um, so be on the lookout for that. All right. Hope you guys are having a nice day, and happy drawing to you all. Bye bye.